You are listening to Physio-English, a cross-cultural learning podcast. English for healthcare, empowering your career.
Hi there, and welcome back to Physio-English, the podcast where we meet real people shaping the world of physiotherapy. I'm your host, Laura, and today's guest is someone with an inspiring cross-border journey, Miguel, a physiotherapist who has worked in Colombia and Spain and is on his way to even bigger goals. Welcome.
Hi, Laura. I'm really happy to be here and share a bit of my story.
Let's begin at the start. Where did your path into physiotherapy begin?
I studied in Bogota, and my first job was at a small private clinic where I treated older adults with chronic conditions. It was challenging, but I learned so much, especially how to listen to patients and adapt treatment plans with care.
And then you made a big move to Spain.
Yes, 2 years later I moved to Madrid to pursue a specialization in post-operative care and rehabilitation. It was a whole new world, new systems, new expectations, and lots of growth. I learned to treat ACL tears, rotator cuff injuries, and spine recovery cases, which are now some of my favorite areas.
What was it like working in a different healthcare system?
It definitely pushed me to grow. I had to improve my professional communication and learn how to work across cultures. Every patient brings their own story and understanding that makes the therapy more effective.
Where are you now professionally?
I'm currently based in Barcelona, where I work with semi-professional athletes, soccer players, swimmers, and even dancers. On weekends, I also volunteer at a community center, helping seniors with mobility and fall prevention.
Wow, such a nice balance of high performance and community care. What's the dream?
My dream is to be part of the Olympic medical team one day. I'm currently studying a master's in sports physiotherapy, and I'm taking every opportunity one can to grow, whether it's volunteering, attending workshops, or learning from mentors.
That's a beautiful goal. And what advice would you give to students or young physiotherapists listening?
My biggest advice is never stop learning. Be open to travel, observe different styles, and connect with people from all over the world. Every experience teaches you something valuable.
Such wise words, Miguel. Thank you for sharing your journey with us today.
Thank you, Laura. It's been a pleasure.
And to our listeners, remember, there are many paths in physiotherapy. Trust your vision, take bold steps, and keep learning. We'll see you next time.
This episode is part of the Physio-English podcast by Cross-Cultural Learning. To continue practicing English for healthcare, visit our website or follow us on social media.